Red magic.
What's good, traders?
Grand Rising traders,
You're watching the Red Shift.
a show where you can learn how to use Red Magic Channel products.
Today we're looking at the Red Magic Channel order blocks indicator.
Without further ado, French will start this tutorial.
Thank you, Rosie. In the Navigator tab, open the Indicators directory, then the Market directory. Right-click on Red Magic Channel order blocks and choose Attach to Chart. Now click OK. The Red Magic Channel order blocks indicator scans the chart for order blocks using several filters and displays horizontal lines at the high and low prices of the order block candle. If you look at this weekly uptrend, price is forming a low, then a higher high, another higher low followed by a higher high and so on, until it breaks below this low and continues down. Now let's focus on the order block responsible for the break of the last higher low. It's a bearish 1, 2, 3 candle order block. The order blocks type filter is currently set to both, meaning the Red Magic Channel order blocks indicator displays both bullish and bearish order blocks. Let's change this filter to bearish. To do this, click the Select Bearish as Order Blocks Type button. As you can see, the display panel has updated and the previously visible bullish order block has disappeared. Remember, it's also a 1, 2, 3 candle order block. The order block's consecutive candles filter is currently set to 2, meaning the Red Magic Channel order blocks indicator shows order blocks with at least 2 consecutive candles. Let's increase it to 3. Click the Increase Order Blocks Consecutive Candles button. You'll see the display panel update accordingly. Previously, we were scanning the chart for order blocks in this area, but if you don't remember, just refer to the Start Candle panel to know the date and time of your starting point. In this example, the December 1st, 2024 start candle is here, and if you look at the End Candle panel to know the date and time of your ending point, you notice that the January 5th, 2025 end candle is there, but remember we want to scan an earlier section of the chart. The candle change step parameter is currently set to 1, meaning each click only moves back 1 candle. Let's change it to 100 so that we move back by 100 candles at a time. To do this, click the Increase Candle Change Step button. The panel now displays a value of 101, since the original step was 1 and we added 100. Now click the Select Previous Start Candle button to update the starting point. As you can see, we are closer to our target area, so let's reduce the step of candle change step parameter, which is currently set to 100. To do this, click the Decrease Step of Candle Change Step button. The Step of Candle Change Step panel has now updated to 1. Now click the Decrease Candle Change Step button several times until you reach a significantly lower value, let's say 25. Then click the Select Previous Start Candle button again to continue moving backward. As we approach our point of interest, let's reduce the candle change step parameter to 1, for more precision. Click the Select Previous Start Candle button repeatedly until you reach the bearish 3 candle order block you're looking for. Your starting point is now correct, but the end candle is too far, causing the indicator to display multiple bearish 3 candle order blocks, but you only want to see 1. The solution is to click the Increase Step of Candle Change Step button. The step of candle change step is now 101. Then, click the Increase Candle Change Step button. The Candle Change Step panel now displays a value of 102, since the original step was 1 and we added 101. Click the Select Previous End Candle button to set a new ending point. As you can see, we're getting closer to the objective, so let's reduce the step of candle change step parameter, currently 101. To do this, click the Decrease Step of Candle Change Step button. The Step of Candle Change Step panel has updated to 1. Now click the Decrease Candle Change Step button until you reach a significantly smaller value, for example 25. Then, click the Select Previous End Candle button again to keep moving backward. As we get close to our point of interest, reduce the candle change step parameter to 1. To do this, click the Decrease Candle Change Step button again. the candle change step panel now shows 1. Keep clicking the Select Previous End Candle button until only the bearish 3 candle order block you're looking for remains on the chart. Let's remove these lines. This order block has been tested 1, 2, 3 times before the reversal and once again after the trend shifted. The result is a 7,000-point move to the downside. Remember, the red magic channel order blocks indicator also displays the high and low prices of the order block candle, making it easier to place your trades. Rosie, can you show the audience another example?
Of course, French. Looking at this downtrend, price forms a high, then a lower low, another lower high, followed by a lower low, and so on, until it breaks this high and continues up. Now let's focus on the order block that caused the break of the last lower high. It's a bullish 1, 2, 3, 4 candle order block. The order blocks type filter is currently set to bearish, meaning the red magic channel order blocks indicator will only display bearish order blocks. Let's change it to bullish. To do this, click the Select Bullish as Order Blocks Type button. As you can see, the Order Blocks Type display panel has updated and the previous bearish order block that was on the chart is now gone. Remember, it's also a 1, 2, 3, 4 candle order block. The order block's consecutive candles filter is currently set to 3, meaning the red magic channel order blocks indicator can display order blocks with at least 3 consecutive candles. Let's increase it to 4. To do this, click the Increase Order Blocks Consecutive Candles button. As you can see, the order blocks consecutive candles display panel updates accordingly. Previously, we were scanning the chart for order blocks in this area, but if unsure, check the Start Candle panel for the date and time of your starting point. In this example, the December 12, 2021 start candle is here. And if you look at the End Candle panel to know the date and time of your ending point, you notice that the February 20th, 2022 end candle is there, but remember, we want to scan the chart further ahead. The step of candle change step parameter is currently set to 1, meaning each adjustment moves by 1. Let's change this to 101 for faster navigation. To do this, click the Increase Step of Candle Change Step button. The Step of Candle Change Step panel has now updated to 101. The candle change step parameter is still set to 1, meaning only 1 candle forward per click. Let's increase it to 102. To do this, click the Increase Candle Change Step button. The Candle Change Step panel has now updated to 102, since the original step was 1 and we added 101. Now click the Select Next End Candle button to select a new ending point. As you can see, we're closer to the objective, so let's reduce the step of candle change step parameter, which is currently set to 101. To do this, click the Decrease Step of Candle Change Step button. The Step of Candle Change Step panel has updated to 1. Now click the Decrease Candle Change Step button until you reach about 50. Then click the Select Previous End Candle button again to move backward. Your ending point is now accurate, but your start candle is too far. We want only 1 4-candle bullish order block displayed. The candle change step parameter is at 50, so click the Decrease Candle Change Step button until you reach a significantly lower number, let's say 1. Then click the Select Next Start Candle button until only the target 4-candle bullish order block is displayed. Let's remove the extra lines. This order block has been tested 1, 2, 3, 4 times before the reversal. The result is a 13,000-point move to the upside. Again, the red magic channel order blocks indicator also displays the high and low prices of the order block candle for easier trade placement. Now, French will walk you through the red magic channel order blocks parameters.
Sure thing, Rosie. Click on the Charts menu, then go to Indicator List. Select Red Magic Channel Order Blocks and click on Properties. In the Inputs tab, you can choose the color of the bullish order blocks. Let's change it to lime and click OK. Note that the high and low values of the selected order block candle will have the same color. Going back to the Red Magic Channel Order Blocks properties, you can also choose the color of the bearish order blocks. Let's set it to red and click OK. In this example, I'll need to click the Select Previous Start Candle button to display a bearish order block. Note that the high and low values of the selected order block candle will have the same color. If you click on the indicator properties again, you can pick two colors for the Select Previous Start Candle button, one for the background and one for the text. Likewise, choose two colors for the Select Next Start Candle button. Then you can customize the Select Previous End Candle button with two colors, and choose two colors for the Select Next End Candle button as well. Next, you can define two colors for the Decrease Candle Change Step button, and two for the Increase Candle Change Step button. Here, set the two colors for the Decrease Step of Candle Change Step button, and there pick the two colors for the Increase Step of Candle Change Step button. Now define the two colors for the Decrease Order Blocks Consecutive Candles button, and finally for the Increase Order Blocks Consecutive Candles button. Rosie, can you explain the rest of the parameters?
I can do that. Here you can pick two colors for the Select Bearish as Order Blocks type button background and text. Then set two colors for the Select Bullish as Order Blocks type button, and also for the Select Both as Order Blocks type button. In the Inputs tab, these display panels are called labels. You can set the text color of the labels here, but note that their background color changes randomly. You can choose the Order Blocks type here. Let's change it to Bullish. You can do this in the Inputs tab, but it's more convenient to change it with these three selection buttons on the chart. The current Order Blocks type is displayed on this label. If I click the OK button, the previous bearish order block disappears, and the Order Blocks type display panel updates accordingly. Now, back to the Red Magic Channel Order Blocks properties. You can also filter order blocks based on their number of consecutive candles. Let's set it to 6. Again, this can be done in the Inputs tab, but it's much more convenient to adjust it with the two selection buttons on the chart. The current Order Blocks Consecutive Candles is displayed on this label. After clicking OK, the previous bullish 5-candle order block that was on the chart is now gone, and the Order Blocks Consecutive Candles display panel updates with the new filter. If you open the indicator properties one more time, in the Inputs tab, the candle used to start scanning the chart for order blocks is called the Start Candle. You can set its number manually, but it's more practical to use the two selection buttons on the chart. The current candle number is 0. If you want to scan older candles, you'll need to increase this number. The Start Candle number is converted to a date on the chart and is displayed on the Start Candle Date label. Similarly, the candle used to end the order block scan is the End Candle. You can define it in the Inputs tab or with these two selection buttons. Again, the current candle number is 0, so increase it if you want to explore candles further back. The End Candle number 2 is converted to a date on the chart and shown on the End Candle Date label. The candle change step determines how many candles forward or backward you move when scanning. You can set it in the Inputs tab or simply adjust it with these two Increase-Decrease buttons. Its current value is shown on this label. You can also define the step of candle change step, basically how much the change step increases or decreases each time you adjust it. It can be set in the Inputs tab or changed quickly with these two selection buttons. Its current value is shown on this label. The horizontal and vertical display offset inputs let you reposition the buttons and labels on the chart. A negative horizontal display offset moves everything to the left. A positive value moves it to the right. For the record, this parameter is only available in the Inputs tab. In this example, I'm using a positive horizontal offset of 10, so the interface shifts right. After clicking OK, you'll see that the buttons and labels have indeed moved to the right. Now back to the Red Magic Channel Order Blocks properties one last time. A negative vertical display offset moves the interface upward. This setting is also only available in the Inputs tab. In this example, I'm using a positive vertical display offset of 50, which moves everything downward. When I click the OK button, you notice that the interface has shifted down.
I hope this tutorial was helpful. The link to the PDF version is in the description below. If you haven't downloaded Red Magic Channel Order Blocks Indicator yet, the MetaTrader 5 Market link is also in the description.
If you experience any issues with the Red Magic Channel Order Blocks Indicator or any of our other products, feel free to contact us at redmagicchannel@gmail.com.
As always, don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe.
Thanks for watching.